Hey, what is going on, guys, gals, aliens, and degen freaks? Welcome to Dano Crypto. So, Bitcoin has pumped, and the reason being is that we think that the Bitcoin ETFs are having massive approval ratings that are over 90% now. It could be coming in the next couple of months. It was predicted that it would be in the next 6 months, but it's looking like we are having more bullish sentiment in the market for Bitcoin approvals on the ETFs. So, with the Asian markets opening up this morning, we had a massive 4.5% pump on this Monday morning. So Bitcoin traded just under 28,000, reversing all losses over the past week. The jump seemed to be a continuation of Friday's reaction to the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission decision to not appeal to a recent grayscale ruling. So the SEC has been appealing a lot of the court decisions that have been happening with cryptocurrency, specifically with cryptocurrency companies. And this was the only one that they haven't tried to appeal. They tried to appeal Coinbase's, they tried to appeal Binance, they tried to appeal a few of them. And I think this is a good sign for the market. So let's see what happens. So the SEC will apparently not appeal a court reversal decision to Grayscale convert its popular Bitcoin trust into more investor-friendly exchange-traded funds. So right now, Grayscale has their GBTC, and what's happening here is that we're having a good bullish sentiment for the approvals of the ETFs. Now, this is just for Grayscale, but we have ARK Invest, we have BlackRock, we have Fidelity. There's a lot of different ETFs that could get approved. So once one gets approved, then all of the others will get approved as well. They might follow suit. So let's look at Bitcoin here. Bitcoin right now currently sitting at $27,813. You see this, we got a nice pump. Let's see on the daily. Let's look at the 4-hour. On the 4-hour, we had a 2.2%, consolidated 0.3, and now we're kind of going back up a little bit. We can see that we're needing some. I think we're needing some more volume. We're needing some more volume. Let's see on the 15 minute. Let's see how the 15 minutes looking, and then we can really kind of get tight in the data here. Yep, see right here. Kind of that was the pump for this morning, and we could see some more movement to the upside. But let's look at the 4-hour and let's see where we can see some previous support and resistance. So you can see here we had some on these levels right here, but some resistance that could go down to about here. But then we have support. We have support around this price here, and that could potentially put us at the top of the wedge. So the top of the wedge of this wedge here is 28,500. People are calling for 30,000, 31,000 by the end of the week. But we can see, you know how things move. You can see that Bitcoin can kind of chop around, go up, go down, go up, go down. You know, you see here a 2% move. You know, it went straight back down to 2%. And that's just because of previous resistance and support. But can we turn, things, previous resistance can turn into new support. So that is something that can happen right now. And let's just see what happens. I think I'm going to put in a trade, to be honest. I think right now it's looking like a good trade setup. But we just have to still kind of wait a little bit. You don't want to go too high leverage, especially when we have big moves like this. We could have a big move to the downside to consolidate and then blast up. So we just have to got to look around, got to see. Let's look at let's put some Bollinger Bands on this, and let's just take that off, and let's look at some Bollinger Bands real quick, and not Bob. Bob Bands. All right, Bollinger Band strategy. Let's see what it's looking like. Okay, let's go back. That's not the one I want. That's not what I want. That's the Bollinger Band. There we go. That's what I want. So now we can see. I don't want the strategy. All right. So you can see here we got pinched, and now we're going back up. That middle line is at 27,000 for its average, but we are trading obviously above and along the top line. So we could keep that momentum going up. And I like to look at other places where we were previously pinched a little bit and squeezed, I should say, with the Bollinger Band. And then you can kind of see how those Bitcoin prices move when we get pinched in what you would call a Bollinger Band channel. All right, guys. Well, if you're wanting to trade this Bitcoin volatility and in this market, then I suggest you use my affiliate links, which I like to use MEXC. I like to use LBANK. I like to use decentralized exchanges like the Bybit custodial wallet. And I also like to use there's a couple other different things I like to use, but I like to let you do your research and explore. And also, BITFLEX. I have all these affiliate links and exchanges in the description, so I want you guys to check it out and let me know what you're doing with this Bitcoin volatility. Do you think there will be a Bitcoin ETF approval in the next couple of months? Will it be in the next couple of weeks? I don't know. Guys, let me know. All right, I will see you guys in the next video. Be sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the bell to be notified when I make these cryptocurrency videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, peace.